Okay, my name is Chris File, and this is my week 2 video in the three videos that for chapters 1 through 5. The first lesson that I thought would be good would be playing sight word golf. I think using a game helps students to become more involved and doesn't seem as much like work for them. So what you do in this is you have a list or 10 cards. If I can get this in the screen for you. That each have sight words on there. I just got these from Rebecca Seiton's word list. And what the students do is they you just go groups of 2, and then you give them the 10 words here. The object is to get the least amount of marks as possible, and the way you get a mark is if you say the word wrong or say it incorrect. So like the first word is and. Say student A gets this card and they get and they say and correctly, then they would just get the card and then put it to the side. The next word is of. They say of. Say student B says of. Then what they would do is they would take the card, but they would have to put a mark down for them because they said it incorrect. And then whoever has the most marks at the end would actually lose the game. Okay. My next lesson I thought would be good would be working on phonemic knowledge and just sounding out words. So the first word here is cat, and what you would do as a teacher is you could sit with a small group, or you could just maybe do it as an entire group and just kind of go around to each student. So what you do is just say sound out each letter, just go k, at, then say the whole word again, cat. Okay. The other thing to do is with these is there will be some words that have some blends. So like this one will be sh, ah. I think that would be good for students, especially because some of these that include the blendings are very good to keep the students kind of aware of some phonemic rules. And then the last one I thought was a good idea throughout the chapter was with the cards and the pictures. And so like this one has hat. What you can do with this is you can do it a couple of different ways. Maybe at the beginning, if they were just introduce it, just kind of say, okay, what is this, a picture of hat, and introduce them to the word, and then you can sound it out like we did with the phonemic cards. So like at, and then it has also include the short and long vowel sounds. On the back then, for this one, you do have you can put the actual, what the vowel is on the back. You can use it for yourself, and you can also have it for later on, maybe when you're doing a couple of different activities with these. One thing that I thought would be good is, with these cards is including, say like on this one, the word is mug. And then give the students each a worksheet, and you just have this printed off and you can give it to them. So actually mug would be for like line number 2 here. Then they have to go through and circle the words that have the same vowel sound. Those are my 3 lessons for this week.